Everything we do, every thought we've had is produced by the human brain. But exactly how it operates remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries. And it seems, the more we probe its secrets, the more surprises we find. My name is Dr. David King, the youngest general surgeon. And today, I'll be taking you through the brain anatomy and how it works. So sit tight and enjoy the ride. Here we go. The brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. Together, the brain and spinal cord that extends from it make up the central nervous system, or CNS. Weighing about 3 pounds in the average adult, the brain is about 60% fat. The remaining 40% is a combination of water, protein, carbohydrates, and salts. The brain itself is not a muscle. It's an organ that actually plays a huge role in controlling muscles throughout your body. It contains blood vessels and nerves, including neurons and glial cells. Gray and white matter are two different regions of the central nervous system. In the brain, gray matter refers to the darker outer portion, while white matter describes the larger inner section underneath. In the spinal cord, this order is reversed. The white matter on the outside and the gray matter sits within. Gray matter is primarily composed of neuron somas, the round central cell bodies, and white matter is mostly made of axons, the long stems that connect neurons together, wrapped in myelin, a protective coating. The different composition of neural parts is why the two appear as separate shades on certain scans. Each region serves a different role. Gray matter is primarily responsible for processing and interpreting information, while white matter transmits that information to other parts of the nervous system. How does the brain work? The brain sends and receives chemical and electrical signals throughout the body. Different signals control different processes, and the brain interprets each. Some make you feel tired, while others make you feel pain. Some messages are kept within the brain, while others are relayed to the spine and across the body's vast network of nerves to distant extremities. To do this, the central nervous system relies on billions of neurons, nerve cells, main parts of the brain and their functions. At a high level, the brain can be divided into cerebrum, brainstem, and cerebellum. The cerebrum. This is the front of the brain and comprises of gray matter, the cerebral cortex, and the white matter at its center. The cerebrum, being the largest part of the brain, initiates and coordinates movement and regulates temperature. Other areas of the cerebrum enable speech, judgment, thinking and reasoning, problem solving, emotions, and learning. Other functions relate to vision, hearing, touch, and other senses. The brainstem. This is the middle of the brain which connects the cerebrum with the spinal cord. The brainstem includes the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla. The midbrain or mesencephalon is a very complex structure with a range of different neuron clusters, nuclei and colloquially neural pathways, and other structures. The pons. This is the origin of 4 of the 12 cranial nerves, which enable a range of activities such as tear production, chewing, blinking, focusing vision, balance, hearing, and facial expression. The medulla. This is where the brain meets the spinal cord. The medulla is essential to survival. It regulates bodily activities and produces reflexive activities such as sneezing, vomiting, coughing, and swallowing. And finally, the cerebellum. This is a fist-sized portion of the brain located at the back of the head, below the temporal and occipital lobes, and above the brainstem. Its function is to coordinate voluntary muscle movement and to maintain posture, balance, and equilibrium. I'll be coming up with more educative, interesting topics. Till then, goodbye and God bless you.